Hi everyone, my name is Iqra Choudhary and I wanted to extend my heartfelt thank you for the guidance and support which helped me in qualifying my NET-LS December 2023. Being an offline student of this institute, my journey with this institute has been immensely rewarding, and it is all because of the dedicated faculty members. So I deeply want to thank Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir, Sumit sir and Manisha ma'am for the continuous support. And I also want to thank my batchmates who makes my learning process so enriched and enjoyable. The best thing is the study material provided by the center was comprehensive and meticulously designed in aiding thorough understanding of the subject matter. And once again, I wanted to extend my sincere appreciation to the whole team of the A.S.S Science Foundation. Thank you.